Today I want to be going over tips on how to survive this NFT bear market. Let's dive right in. The first tip I want to be going over is staying liquid. You want to have ETH on the side so when the opportunity comes and you're liquid enough to buy into whatever project you like. So let's say, for example, a project that I was looking at was the Art of Seasons, and that dipped below 1 ETH. And as you see here, I have enough, but I didn't buy in. Unfortunately, it went back over an ETH, but like I said, staying liquid in these market conditions will get you past these conditions and also allow you to buy when the dip comes. Some projects I'm looking to buy in while we are in this bear market is Kuroro's Ferry Tickets. As you see here, their burning mechanic is coming out soon on, I think it's May 22nd. And with that burning mechanic, you're able to get eggs on Polygon, which will enable you to play the game. The second project that I'm looking for is Squishy Squad. As we all know, this is Mental Boy's project, and he is very praised in the NFT space, and he's not going anywhere anytime soon. And he also delivers on what he says on his roadmap, so I'd say this is a good buy as well. Another one is Aqua Tools. I mentioned this in my prior video as well. This has peaked at a 0.6 plus, and for what it's valued at, it's super undervalued. The next project is the Art of Seasons. Like I said, if you see this below 1 ETH, I definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's not financial advice, but their second collection, Renga, is coming out soon, and I'm most likely certain that this will enable you to get whitelist for that. Next project is Adidas Pass. Has done very well. It has skyrocketed to past 2 ETH, and the buy territory is 1.2 to 1.4 ETH in my opinion. The next one is Llamaverse. I'm a Llama Maxi. I can't stress that enough. Like I said, this all-time high was 7 ETH plus, and we're going to 10 ETH soon. And the last one is NFT Worlds. Art Dev, he's a phenomenal builder, and this was a freeman after all. He's also implementing some sort of utility where he's paying creators to play within the ecosystem, so that's something to look out for as well. A quote I want to mention by Robert Kiyosaki. He's a huge real estate guy. His quote is, "Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning." I resonate with this a lot because I really see and want to change perspectives on how I see the NFT market. I think that we should be looking at it as an investment rather than a trading sort of asset that we're doing day to day. So seeing him say this and me resonating with it, I really think that you guys could also follow this quote as well, just because we're in this game to make money after all, and after all, we are investing in assets. Whether it's a JPEG, whatever you want to call it, it's still an asset at the end of the day, and we should change our perspective to investing rather than trading. So once we look at the long-term perspective and see that we're in this for the long term, I definitely think that we'll all be able to win, and at the end of the day, we all want our backs to go to the moon. So once we change our outlook and our perspective and see that fear is the opportunity to make the most amount of money, I definitely say that we could all come out and end with their biggest bags. My next tip is to network. This space is dead right now and no one's really doing anything, so I definitely recommend you guys network and look for people that you're able to connect with. Some communities I recommend is Coliseum. I talked about this project in my prior video. Nodex, I love these guys. They're like a family to me. And OXH, I know this is closed, but maybe you could do something. Maybe you could reach out to a couple people, maybe pull some strings and get in. But this is the best time to network and look for a family that you guys could sit with, spend as much time as possible, because after all, your network is your net worth. And within this space, if you want to go far, you gotta have a group of people with you. Share your alpha, share your past success on Twitter or even YouTube. Become an influencer, try to reach out, try to do something while the space is dead, because after all, this will get a lot of people's attention. There's a thread I retweeted, and this one kid, he said he was 17 years old and he was able to make, I think, like 490 ETH right here, 468 ETH. And within this dead market, he was able to tweet this and show what he's done to enable him for this success. So definitely take this time to grow your brand, show who you are, share your alpha, share your prior success, share your past mistakes, anything, to be honest, that will intrigue people's attention and grow your brand. After all, we're in this space, like I said, to do the best for ourselves. Even though we want to help others, we still have to look after ourselves. So take that time to build your brand. And the last tip I want to be going over is, I know no one wants to hear it, but take some time off. It's very essential for you to check on your mental and physical health, even your spiritual health, if you guys believe in that. And I definitely would recommend to take some time off, whether you go out, spend some time with family, friends, whatever you do in your real life. Take some time off. It's really good. That reset will really help you, and who knows, maybe the first day you come back, you make, I don't know, 100 ETH. Who knows? So definitely take some time off. After all, the market's dead. It's not going anywhere. So 1 week won't even hurt. If you guys enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you follow my Twitter. I'll be more active on here and posting more alpha. But I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a wonderful day.